In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Flash Step in Blox Roots on a controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, if you play Blox Roots on PC or using a keyboard and mouse, or even on mobile, the standard ways of using Flash Step is by pressing R while having the cursor where you want to go, or by pressing the button dedicated in mobile. However, how do you do it on a controller? This process that I'm going to show you in this video is going to work for any version of Blox Roots and any controller that you have, so it can be an official Xbox, PlayStation controller, or even generic ones. All that you have to do to use Flash Step on a controller is to press down on the right analog stick. So as you might be aware, the left analog stick is used for movement and dashing, and the right one controls your camera. So all that you have to do on a controller is to press down on the right analog stick. After you press down, you will be able to see the Flash Step go off. Keep in mind that there might be some interactions with the camera and the way the POV works, but this is just a clear answer of how to use Flash Step. To my knowledge, there is no way to change this, and if you are using a controller, the only way that you will be able to Flash Step is by pressing down on the right analog button. You should see the effect go off in game and Flash Step will work. It is extremely simple, but I highly prefer using it on a keyboard and mouse instead of a controller. But if the only option that you have is using a controller, this is how you are going to be able to do it. It is going to work for any controller that you have, so like I said, generic ones, official Xbox, or even PlayStation controllers. Just press down on the right analog stick and it should go off. If it doesn't go off, make sure you have the ability active and that your controller has the inputs being detected. If you have a faulty right joystick that is not being pressed down, you will not be able to Flash Step on Blox Roots on controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Flash Step in Blox Roots on a controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.